Welcome to this presentation. If your module is assessed by a presentation, this will be completed and submitted online. This short video explains in a few simple steps how to submit the various elements of your presentation. All students have access to Google Drive. You should use this to upload your presentation. Once uploaded, then you should generate a shareable link and submit it alongside your documents. Your documents containing the link are then submitted on Turnitin so they can be marked and returned with feedback. The first thing you need to do is access your Google Drive. You will do this by typing in any browser the relevant information or searching on the Search tab, and then you will get to this screen. Sign in with your university credentials. You have now access to your Google Drive folder. Your next task is to upload the video file you have generated onto your Google Drive. Follow this procedure to select the file and upload it. Once the file has been uploaded, then you need to generate a shareable link. Create the shareable link using these steps. Remember to select the link to be visible to everybody within and without your institution. If that option is available to you, that will make it easier for us to access your link. Once you have generated the link, then copy it and place it into the document that contains the rest of your assignment information. That way, when you submit your document on Turnitin, we will be able to see the link and through that to access your video presentation. After you have completed these tasks and the document contains your live link, then you can proceed to access Blackboard, Turnitin, and submit your assignment. I hope you found this short presentation useful. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to get in touch with your module leader. All other relevant information is available for you on the module's Blackboard site.